Welcome to our video where we compare two popular fitness products based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the Sperax Treadmill and the Sperax Walking Pad. Whether you're aiming to enhance your home gym or simply looking for a convenient way to stay active, this comparison will help you decide which treadmill fits your needs best. The Sperax Treadmill, priced at $499, offers a 2-in-1 folding design, suitable for running and working, making it a versatile addition to any fitness routine. On the other hand, the Sperax Walking Pad, available for $299, is an under-desk treadmill designed for walking, boasting a quiet motor that allows for discrete exercise sessions. According to Amazon reviews, the Sperax Treadmill is appreciated for its simple, quiet operation and suitability for small spaces, while the Walking Pad is praised for its compact, lightweight design and ease of use under a desk. In terms of innovation, the Sperax Treadmill stands out with its 2-in-1 design, allowing for both running and desk work. Reviewers find this feature to be a gym and office combo, offering great value. Meanwhile, the Walking Pad's minimalist design is highlighted for its ability to be stored easily, although not seen as groundbreaking. Amazon reviews suggest the treadmill's design is more favored for those seeking multifunctionality. Performance-wise, both treadmills boast a 2.5 horsepower motor. The Sperax Treadmill supports up to 280 pounds and offers speeds up to 6.2 miles per hour, making it suitable for a range of activities from walking to sprinting. The Walking Pad, supporting up to 320 pounds, focuses on walking speeds up to 3.8 miles per hour. Reviews highlight the treadmill's suitability for more intense workouts, while the Walking Pad is appreciated for its comfort and ease of use for walking. When it comes to saving space, both products offer folding or compact designs for easy storage. The Sperax Treadmill is praised for its easy storage and quiet operation, making it a good choice for small apartments. The Walking Pad, capable of sliding under a sofa, is favored for its ultra-compact design. Amazon reviews lean towards the Walking Pad for those prioritizing space saving above all. Overall, Amazon reviews paint a positive picture for both the Sperax Treadmill and the Sperax Walking Pad. The treadmill is often described as a versatile, innovative, and powerful option for those looking to combine work and exercise. The Walking Pad, on the other hand, is favored for its discreet, comfortable, and ultra-compact design, making it ideal for light to moderate use in small spaces. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope this has provided insight into which treadmill might be the right fit for your fitness goals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below sharing which product you prefer and why. For more details and to check out these products, the links are in the description. Stay active and see you in the next video.